simplify or rationalize. Simplify, or sometimes they call it as rationalize the denominator. Okay, let's say we have 11 over 6 minus radical 3. How are we going to rationalize this, anyone? Okay, quickly, please enter your answer, either type or if you have a microphone you can tell me. And some of you are not participating at all. You're not answering any questions. Here we have a suggestion: multiply both top and bottom of the fraction by reciprocal. Word is not reciprocal. Any other suggestion? Angel? Okay, we have another suggestion: 6 plus radical 3. Yeah, that's called conjugate. So we multiply it by its conjugate, would be 6 plus radical 3. Very good. Now the reason here is because if I have a minus b, if I multiply by its conjugate a plus b, this will give me a squared minus b squared. That's the difference of squared. So in this case, your a is 6 and your b is radical 3. So at the bottom of the fraction, I get the first term squared, which is 6, minus the second term squared, which is radical 3. And these squares would cause to not have any radical at the bottom of the fraction. So that would be 36, and this would be minus 3. So we would get 33 at the bottom of the fraction. Now the top of the fraction, we would have some radicals, which is okay. But before I multiply this, I can reduce them. 11 turns to 1, 33 turns to 3. So here we get 6 plus radical 3 over 3. This is how you rationalize the denominator. You don't have any radical at the bottom of the fraction, so you have to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by its conjugate. If I have the same as let's say 11 over radical 6, how would you rationalize this? What do you have to multiply top, bottom of the fraction here with? Here you only have one term. Okay, we have a suggestion: negative 6. No. You multiply top and bottom of the fraction by what? If I have radical a, if I multiply by itself, I get just a, right? That's how you eliminate the radical. You multiply by itself, radical 6. So here you get radical 36, which is 6, and that's how you rationalize that if you only have one term. But if you have two terms like this, you have to multiply by its conjugate.